In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage project files and export locations in Premiere Rush. Let's dive right in. Once you've finished editing your project in Premiere Rush and you're satisfied with how everything looks, the next step is to share or export your masterpiece. To begin this process, look towards the toolbar in Rush, where you'll find a tab labeled Share. Clicking on this will open up the export dialog, which is essentially your gateway to deciding where your video is going to end up. In this export dialog, Premiere Rush offers you a few different options for where your final video can be destined. You've got two main sections to consider: local, which means saving the file directly to your device, and social platforms, which include popular sites such as YouTube and Facebook, among others. These options give you the flexibility to either keep your project to yourself or share it with a wider audience online, depending on your preference. If you decide to keep your project local, you can have a bit more control over how and where it is saved. First, you'll want to consider the file name. Assigning a clear and descriptive file name is crucial for easily identifying your project later, especially if you plan to create multiple versions or iterations. This can save you a lot of time and confusion down the road when managing your files. Next, you'll need to decide on the location on your computer where you'd like the file saved. This involves browsing through your folders until you find the ideal spot. This is your chance to establish a well-organized filing system. By setting up consistently named folders or subfolders dedicated to your projects, you ensure that everything is easily accessible in the future. It's a simple step, but one that can dramatically enhance your workflow efficiency. When exporting to a social media platform, you follow a similar process. However, Rush provides specific options and adjustments pertinent to each platform, ensuring that your video meets the necessary requirements for the best possible presentation. Whether it's video dimensions, file size, or other platform-specific options, these parameters are crucial for optimizing the audience's viewing experience online. Remember, the share function not only saves your project, but can enable its transition from your working environment to viewers worldwide. Carefully managing your file's location and naming conventions is just as important as the creative process that precedes it. So, take those extra few moments to ensure everything's squared away. By taking these steps, you ensure your project files are organized and exported efficiently, ready to share with whoever and wherever you choose. With your new know-how on file management and export locations, you're all set to take your video projects to the next level with Premiere Rush. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.